It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Today is the beach trip.
Jack, wake up! Beach day!
5 more minutes.
No, Jack. The bus leaves at 9. Get up! Get up!
Okay. I'm up.
Rumi and Jack pack their bags.
Let's pack! Don't forget your hat.
My hat.
Got it. Don't forget your towel.
My towel.
Got it. Don't forget your water bottle.
Water bottle.
Got it. I'm fast. Are we forgetting something? No way! I have everything.
Now it is time to get dressed. But Jack has a funny idea. Jack, what are you wearing?
My superhero costume. It's cool. Jack, no! It's too hot for that. But I look awesome. It's too heavy and too hot. Wear your t-shirt and shorts.
Okay, t-shirt and shorts.
But I'm still a superhero. Yes, Jack, a superhero in shorts.
Breakfast time. Rumi and Jack eat fast.
Eggs and toast. I love breakfast.
Eat up. We don't have much time.
Done. That was the fastest breakfast ever.
Now, the big question. They go to Mom.
Mom, can we go to the beach today?
The beach? Did you pack your hats?
Yes, we did.
Did you pack your towels?
Yes, we did. And?
Did you pack the sunscreen?
Oh. The sunscreen! We forgot the sunscreen!
Here it is. Don't forget the sunscreen. The sun is strong today.
Thank you, Mom. So, can we go?
Yes, you can. Have fun and be safe.
Yes! Beach, here we come!
Today's magic words. Don't forget your hat. Don't forget your towel. And the big question, can we go to the beach? Yes, you can. Now you try. What is in your bag? Keep practicing. See you in the next story.